How do pop-up matcha drink stands create upsell opportunities? Pop-up matcha drink stands increase sales by pairing drinks with add-ons, offering upgrades, and making helpful suggestions at the right moment. A stand can begin with a simple menu, then guide customers toward choices that add value without feeling pushy. For example, a customer ordering an iced matcha can be offered oat milk, vanilla cold foam, or a flavored syrup for a small extra charge. Another useful option is a size upgrade, because many customers will choose a larger drink when the price difference is easy to understand. Matcha stands can also sell small snacks, such as cookies, mochi, or energy bites, and suggest them as a pairing with a drink. A clever approach is to create a signature combination, such as a strawberry matcha with a mochi snack, because a named pairing is easier to remember than a long list of separate choices. Limited flavors can create urgency, especially when customers know the flavors available only during that event or weekend. Staff should ask simple questions, such as whether the customer wants extra cream or a snack with the drink, instead of listing every possible add-on. One lesser-known opportunity is using toppings that look attractive in photos, since customers may pay more for a drink that feels special and is likely to be shared online. To make this actionable, track which upgrades sell most often, keep the best choices visible on a small menu sign, and train staff to make one natural suggestion during every order. A common mistake is offering too many choices, which slows the line and confuses people, so feature only a few profitable upgrades. Another mistake is making the add-ons too expensive compared with the drink, so keep the extra cost small enough to feel reasonable. Some stands also suggest upgrades before understanding what the customer wants, so ask one quick preference question first. Finally, do not hide the prices, because clear pricing builds trust and helps customers decide faster. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.